He loves music. He loves music. The bread is fresh. The bread is fresh. She listens to music. She listens to music. The box is heavy. The box is heavy. He takes a nap. He takes a nap. He writes stories. He writes stories. They drink tea. They drink tea. She has a cat. She has a cat. She buy groceries. She buy groceries. I eat an apple. I eat an apple. The desk is clean. The desk is clean. She eats cereal. She eats cereal. They go shopping. They go shopping. The park is quiet. The park is quiet. He plays tennis. He plays tennis. The movie is interesting. The movie is interesting. I make breakfast. I make breakfast. She likes jogging. She likes jogging. I use a computer. I use a computer. They travel often. They travel often. Subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.